Welcome back to Clarkstar Culinary. Today we're making coleslaw dressing. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of mayonnaise. I prefer Hellmann's mayonnaise for this recipe, but you can use any mayonnaise that is your preference. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of raw apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of celery seed, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now mix. At this point, it's going to be more thick like a dip, so we're going to add 1 tablespoon of milk to make it more of a dressing. Mix well. Now that the dressing's ready, we're going to prepare the easiest coleslaw. You're just going to slice up your cabbage as thin or thick as you like, and shred some carrots and dice up some green onion. This is one of my favorite ways to serve coleslaw so that everyone can pick out how they want their coleslaw to be. Some people like a little less dressing than others, so everybody's able to just pick and choose what works for them. Also, the great thing about it is that you can always store the dressing. It keeps really well in the refrigerator for up to a week. And as you can see, I'm going to serve myself some of this cabbage and carrot and green onion. And then I'm going to put a little bit of the dressing on so I can take a little taste myself. And it's really good. Thank you for watching Clarkstar Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and be sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when our next video posts. Until next time, bye-bye.